So guys, as I said, I bought some spacers. These, I think they are 10 millimeters, and these are 17. I need to check the receipt because I bought them like maybe half a year ago. So today I'm gonna install them and hope the fitment is better. As you can see, the front tire is a bit in, and the back too. So we will see what will happen. Okay guys, front side is ready. The moment of truth, I think it looks great. As you can see, the tire is forced to the fender. That's from the front. So 17 millimeters is good. Now to the rear. The rear are 10 millimeters, but as you can see, my rear tire is not so in. I'm a little bit worried if I will rub my fender, but I think I will be okay. By the way, my rims are with 35 offset, and they are 8J white. Both sides are ready. The rear is perfect. I think it looks good. So if you have 8J white wheels with 35 offset, they are 18s by the way, you are okay with 17 millimeters at the front. It looks good, and 10 millimeters at the back. Damn, I'm finally relieved.